Hello students, in the previous lecture I have explained you variation in the acceleration due to gravity with altitude and with depth. Means when you will go above to the surface of the earth, that is the what will be the effect of altitude on acceleration due to gravity. Similarly, when you go below to the surface of earth, what will be the change in the acceleration due to gravity. So we have found that on going above to the earth surface or on going below to the earth surface, the value of acceleration due to gravity decreases. Value of acceleration due to gravity decreases as you go above to the earth surface. This is called the effect of altitude, and it is given by at a height h from the earth surface. Means what is h? If you take this point as A, then from A to P it is h. It's clear. Now see here we have assumed that earth is perfectly spherical and it is uniformly dense. Since it is perfectly spherical and uniformly dense, therefore its whole mass can be assumed to be concentrated at the geometrical center of Earth's sphere. It's clear. So see here, what will be the height of this place from the Earth center, which we say altitude. Altitude is always measured from the Earth center here. Here we will measure the altitude from the Earth center. So what will be the distance? It will be Re plus h. This Re plus h we will term as small r. Small r means distance of that point at which acceleration due to gravity is required from the Earth's center. So see here, you can see on the Earth's surface, that is at the point A, acceleration due to gravity is g. At a height h above to the Earth's surface, it is g dash. What is the relationship? G dash equals to g divided by 1 plus h upon Re whole square. And here we have shown that g dash is less than g. Similarly, what will be the effect of the depth? Means when you will go below to the surface of Earth. In that case also acceleration due to gravity decreases. You can see here, this is this sphere, it is the Earth's sphere. At point A on the Earth's surface, acceleration due to gravity is g, and at h depth below to the Earth's surface. H depth below means this depth is h. This is h. At h depth below to the Earth's surface, the acceleration due to gravity is g dash. Means at the point B, it is g dash. What is the depth AB? It is equal to h. So see here, from O to A, we know that it is the radius of Earth. From O say A, it is radius of Earth. So what will be the height of altitude of this place from the Earth's center? If you find out, so it will be equal to OA minus AB. That is Re minus H. Re minus H. And here Re minus h we will term as small r. Already I have explained what is small r. It is the altitude of that place at which acceleration due to gravity is required from the Earth's center, that is from O. Now today we will represent this variation in a graph. So first you see that formula, g dash equals to g 1 plus h upon Re whole square. So when you will take the LCM in the denominator LCM will be Re, and it will be Re plus h, this is whole square. Now you can see here Re plus h can be written as small r. It can be written as small r. So it is g, it is small r upon Re whole square. When you will simplify, it will be g Re square upon small r square. So you can see here g Re square is a constant. G Re square is a constant. Means g dash is inversely proportional to the distance of that point at which acceleration due to gravity is required from earth center. It is inversely proportional to the square of that distance, inversely proportional to the square of that distance at which value of g is required from the earth center. From the earth center means जिस पॉइंट पर g की वैल्यू हमको निकालना है उसकी जो डिस्टेंस है फ्रॉम द अर्थ सेंटर, उस डिस्टेंस के स्क्वायर के इन्वर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल है. दैट इज g डैश इज इन्वर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल टू r स्क्वायर. नाउ इफ यू सी दिस फॉर्मूला, व्हाट विल बी द इफेक्ट ऑफ द डेप्थ? So effect of the depth I am showing here. You can see what will be at the earth center. At the earth center already I told that it will be 0. At the earth center it will be 0. So see here when you will simplify g dash equals to g, and when you will take LCM it will be re minus h whole divided by re. re minus h whole divided by re. Now you can see here what is re minus h. It is the height of that point from the earth center, that is g into small r upon re. As you know that g is the acceleration due to gravity at the earth surface, which is constant. re is also constant, means g upon re is constant here, and g upon re is constant, it is constant. Therefore it is just like here g re square was constant. So since g upon re is constant, therefore g dash is directly proportional to the small r. G dash is directly proportional to the small r. If you take the point O, what will be the value of small r? So for the point O, h will become from A to O. That is h will be equal to re, and h equals to re. So re minus re, that is it will become 0. It's clear, because you are measuring the height from point O. So at the earth center small r will become 0, therefore g will become 0. Now I am going to represent this variation on a graph. So you can see here it is directly proportional. Up to the earth's surface, acceleration due to gravity varies directly with the distance of that point from the earth center. Up to the earth center, up to earth surface. Earth के surface तक on moving from here to the earth surface, acceleration due to gravity is varying directly with respect to the distance of that point from the earth center. But when you go above to the earth surface, what happens? It varies inversely with the square of that distance which is from earth center. It's clear? So see here what is at the earth surface. At the earth surface it is value is g. So see here on y-axis I have taken acceleration due to gravity g dash. On x-axis it is the altitude of place from the earth center. So if you draw the graph, you already know that when place is on the earth surface, the value of acceleration due to gravity is g. On the earth surface means when r is equal to re, here value of g is g dash is g. Up to the earth surface from earth center, O is representing earth center, and this is point corresponds to the point on the earth surface. So see here it is varying directly. Varying directly means the graph will be like this. You can see here. Now you see here it is varying directly up to the earth surface, but beyond that what happens? After this, what will happen? Point will be somewhere at some height from the Earth's surface. In that case, it varies inversely with the square of distance. So you can see here graph will be, it will be like this. So I hope that you have understood this. So in this lecture we will do only up to here. Now in the next lecture I will explain you what will be the effect on the acceleration due to gravity because of the rotation of the earth, and what will be the effect on the acceleration due to gravity due to the shape of the earth, because we know that earth's shape is elliptical. It is bulging at equator and flattened at the poles. Thank you.